In this session, we are going to talk about how to create mobile-based reports and dashboards for Power BI. So we have already seen this, still we'll be going through these. So whenever you are in Power BI desktop and you want to create the mobile-friendly reports, for that what would you do? So let's say that I have created all these visuals. So now I can go in the view option and over here I have a mobile layout option. Here you can see it is saying that design your reports for the mobile devices. So all these visuals have been already made. Now to configure it for mobile, I will click on mobile layout and it would bring down all these visuals for me. Also, you can see this auto create option is there. Let's say if you are not satisfied with the kind of report that it is showing you, because I created it previously. So what you can do is you can click on auto create and it would replace your current visuals, or let's say if it is not having any visual, so it would create for some visuals for you. So I will click on replace and you can see all the visuals are now over here. If you haven't kept the visuals on the screen, it would appear over here in under the page visuals. If you want to remove any of the visual, you can use this cross option and it would then bring it back to this page visuals option. So let me bring everything back on the screen. Now let's say that you have these four visuals and you want to create a mobile layout for it. The first thing is that you need to make sure these visuals are in a good size. For example, let's say I'm dragging and dropping this. So here I'm getting this option to resize this. So you have to resize it so that every information is visible. So you can see the legend is now completely appearing over here. Then I can resize it again. I can just bring it to the top. Also, you can see I have the option of lock objects, which would be basically locking this object so I can not move it now. If you unlock this, so now you can easily move it. Also, you have this option of snap to grid. So currently I'm able to see the grid lines. If you want to turn those off, you can turn those off by this option. And if you want to snap this on the top of the grid line, you can turn this option on. So what it would do is every block that you are moving, it is trying to snap it on that block. So you can see these grid. It is trying to snap it on the top of grid. So this becomes fairly easy when you are having multiple visuals over here and you want to just place it side by side and you want to snap it on the top of the grid so they can be of even size. So again, let's say that I want this visual, I can place it over here, resize it, expand the size. I will also do the same thing with the other visuals. So place it and expand the size. Next one, place it and then expand the size. So snapping to grid lines becomes very helpful when you are having these visuals and you just don't want them to overlap one on the top of another. So this is how you can place the visuals on your mobile layout. Again, I'll bring them to the top so that I'm not missing any space. Looks fine now. So now whenever I'll be downloading and installing the Power BI mobile application, I would be able to see this dashboard in this layout and it would be interactive. So for example, if any user is selecting any region, for example, Central Asia, so you can see the changes happening in every other visual as well. Also, if you'd like to edit any information on these visuals, you can see on the right hand side, whenever I select a visual, you have these visualization options. So here you can turn on or off any information that you don't want to see. Also, you can edit the titles and the effects. Let's say if you want to create these visuals and yeah, they you want to customize it basically for mobile applications. So you can also add some of the colors over here to change the theme, whatever you think is matching with the current theme of your visuals. So currently I'm not selecting anything. Also, you have these option of changing the themes over here. So we have already seen those. So you can select any theme which matches with your current visuals. So this is how you create the layout of a report for your mobile device. Also, I'm having this visual. I will bring it at top. Yeah, so everything is complete now. If you would like to remove all the visualizations from over here, so previously I just clicked on this close. What you can do is you can also use this option, remove all visualizations, and it would remove everything for you. Now, this was how you will create any report for your mobile device. What if we are talking about any dashboard? In that case, what would you do? So for that, I will head over to the Power BI services. And over here, I'm opening any dashboard that I have previously created. So let's say I'm opening this Skill Squad dashboard. So this is the dashboard and I want to see it in the mobile device. We have already talked about how to create this dashboard for mobile device. So we need to go over here in the edit option, and over here I have this mobile layout option. As soon as you click on this mobile layout option, you can see all these visualizations over here. Now you can expand the size of these visuals. Select any visual, expand the size. Again, select any visual, and if you want to expand the size of this also, you can expand it. Okay, if you want to just change the position of this, let's say I want to bring this sum of profit over here, I can bring it to the top. So this is how your dashboard would be looking when you are in a mobile device. Okay, if you want to reset the tiles, you can reset it, and every time would be appearing over here in the unpinned tiles option. If you want to switch back to the web layout view, you can do it with the help of this option. And if you want to delete the mobile layout, you can also delete it, so that the next time you are using that dashboard on mobile device, the mobile view won't be showing you. But I want to see it in a different format on mobile. So that's why I have created a mobile view as well. So when you are in the web layout, you can see it appears differently, and in the mobile layout, it is something else. So this is how you create the Power BI report and dashboard for the mobile devices. We have already talked about these in depth. So now we are just looking at these options from the top. So this was all. Now what we will do is we will talk about the Power BI mobile application, and I will show you how does it look like in the mobile application with the help of few images that I have took in the application. Thank you.